It's my ultimate pleasure to welcome you back on the screens and welcome you to the United Kingdom to celebrate the 6th Akwasidae of the year 2024. And I would like to talk to the Honorable Minister of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Honorable Asamoah Boateng, here elegantly in his Kente Club. Honorable, Memo Ade Tochi.
Joshua, Tochi, the Yami Ishira Maubia, the Mosi said no more ba, Ma Otumfuo Adekesia obey Washington and William, the Mosipa.
Honorable, minim by Nema Woha, Sunday Ama for a form honor. A year was a war landed and I say, you was a war, a Kumasa.
Me was a crew. But Mama Haya Fedodo. Actually, say yes, you will be chile. Ye culture, ya mamreni, Amandia, Yadiaba, Ukroma, Sabi, Yababo power Hakakradia, and so you really feel cheap. And no, my Ghana for my Santa for, and Madame Wase, say Otumfuo, and the Beji Pia, Bose, Papa, and Body Chido. Or Henneso, was saying in Munyam, since I didn't know a bit Agonia, if you do num, I do num 25, or Henny Amasanti, a page a year, my Biasia for who said, yes, you will be chile. Your coach tradition, the untrue, and then my year, Ghana for your my Santa for.
And fear I do me, a dear empire now Susu say, Opim so, why ya, at all Kumaso.
Opim so, dear, let do. I'm Brassier, send there, we see a Jenipa, a bois, some yashitri or my educational funder, or a bois Ghana for your Santa for Ghana for Colabibri, and be a womb. Was some bois, say, or man on Punchu, Chichre, the Kai or Mampeniku form reso, compared to be or World Bank crying and which they are about him. Or the telephone call back up, not your Saka the about some Metino was or any frep, and my educative, my Yosemite, and Tiasiaba. Or the 2 me and me and the Munyam Cassia Bakunyano, Secret Kofi, and my Igna, the Boone and India, and you are headed the wire, the Meka, Yadamasepa.
The Honorable Minister of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Honorable Asamoah Boateng, okay? Also here with us is the man who was born and raised in Mampong, talking about Asante Mampong. He was named after a man who was very prominent in Mampong called Mr. Entry. So he was born as Kwame Entry. He later became a distinguished lawyer and later became the Deputy Chief of Staff. Now is the Minister of Lands of Natural Resources. Mr. Kwame is Kwame Ajay, not Kwame Entry, Kwame Ajay. I don't know whether he will speak English or he will go his old traditional way of Kotonchi Mampo. Honorable, Memo Adash Tochi.
Yeah, Miss Joseph.
Now, what to say? Oh, Udino, Kwame Ajay, and Kwame Entry.
Kwame Ajay.
Dine una fona une munyini ya no omufu una so mofra Kwame Ajay a ojeso.
Pepe.
Yata hu Akwasidae bia ya na utaba ene hofoma pa ye nyina ni age ye hu ha ye ni age. How do you hold the kingdom in your heart? How big do you hold that in your heart?
You made us say, and then Yakupa Darma, Yebishia or London Hanum, I have ever soon you were sent here. Yebedia dying, Yedi Yakupunshira, and Yebohum Payaman. As anti-mind in say, a dear or that, I sumbo, I had the Cassia so. Entina Sebi, Ina Yaba, Yababe Otumfuo, Meneme Hokafo, Eneme Ba, Ene Inuanom, Chitafo, Ina Yaba, Sebabe Som, Nana, Na FFF.
Na Nana ebera yeshia edi Akwasidae bako ewo ho no. Oka se ne ba prekupe ene wo. Usu hunu se o papa prekupe ene no.
Sanetie nyankopon na ehyira me ana sebe ohempon kese wo nyanse wo nimdie wa komapa wa kuduro de chichire nya Ghana man ko a gidi se nimdie no etre efri Ghana nyina ko wiase amansan ba bia na nipa titu amampanyi form wo wiase ahemfo akese nyina kone nan so ekoje akwankyere ekoje ni nimdie ni bi na wafa me se ne ba no na me gidi se mo nyam kese pa na odi ahye me enti na ehyire se de bia da no ese mesom no na de ma be pie land krom ha me be som no
Yedemiasi. Afi woka say woni ohukani and afi ubabakoso eba Zara, how you doing? Okay, wish you all the best. Happy anniversary. We are so celebrating the 25th of the okay, Honorable Asama Boatin so the ba ewa ha ono so otela de ha. Nti ubetina ha no ne oye no back no. Okay, yeah that's it. Honorable Asama. And that's it. How are you? Okay, you're observing the 25th anniversary of His Majesty. That will be your first time, right? I'll come to you. We are celebrating the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second, the king of Ashanti Kingdom. If you recall, on the 26th of April 1999, he was installed as the system occupant of the Golden Stool. Today, 25 years of remarkable leadership, 25 years of indeed huge development that cut across Ghana to Africa and to the entire world. So if you're here, it's indeed a pleasure, it's indeed an honor for you to be here to meet the king live and to meet the king, perhaps have a handshake with the king. You're all welcome to the Seas Akwasidae here at the Middle Temple in the United Kingdom. Alaji, been watching.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Oh, not too bad.
Okay.
Idi nyankopo ase.
Alaji say obakara bofana so bakatwi emu den pa
Katwi.
Alaji ene ubaye say na wuhu sane asiti your first time I uba kuzana.
This is my first time, but Kumasi there. Me na nana izo bohene. Didn't chiko. Palace. Ni akoye Akwasidae no. But since me ba kurum ha yehu bida. This is the first time man who something different. Me nim say yo animonyam we wiase. Just say and now me be do ha. Sisi amano from ntimi kura nkasa. Because adia me hunu I am a woman papa.
Na ohene bedi akonwa yi emfebe adunu enum ni ene babem pa na osusu se ohene aye a ede enbonyama a woka wase bi aba.
Honestly, before say ohene bedi akonwa no na eni na tikrum ha ya me enim okofi yekode ade no since wodi akonwa na so no de bia ade a ye hu no television and ade a yensu yekokomase yekohu no yenim say there is a very much changes and sorry say mekawi ni mame a ka bebe no ade a ye no komase for good 15 days no ama animonyam abagana because that be ejuma wa Nigerian High Commission ye nyina ye ko hobi eni ye ye sa ade no wodi animonyam papa abagana.
Alaji Bajo na udi pa de say
Frame Alhaji Marafa.
Alaji Marafa, well, thank you so much. We are still celebrating the Akwasidae for the year 2024, and I have Lord here. Yes, Lord has been a son of the Golden Stool, and he. Right, thank you so much, Lord. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Great morning.
I thought you were putting on kente. What happened?
Don't you think I look good?
You look good. That's all right then. Now, the last time that I gave a lecture on Ashanti Kingdom and, of course, the history of Ashanti, the gathering here, what's your impression so far?
Well, this is a historic gathering in a historic totemic location in London and indeed in the United Kingdom. This is the center of law and justice, and it's right that we should be celebrating the 25th anniversary of His Majesty's accession in a place such as this.
It's a remarkable, it's a historic. If you look at the bond between the Ashantis and the British, what would you say? Are we strengthening, developing the relationship, or is a way of saying that yes, we have also come to a point that we have to show you that we still possess those powers?
I think it's always important to remember that we have to look and to work and to fight for a relationship of equality between the two kingdoms. And I think His Majesty's great contribution, not least in recovering some of our treasured ancestral objects and seeing them return to their rightful place in Manchia, that's a symbol of His Majesty's focus on the equality of the relationship between the United Kingdom and the Ashanti Kingdom.
How has it been so far?
That's something we should celebrate.
Yeah. Last night, Otumfuo said times of wars are over and it's time for more development, more coexistence. Which other way do you think that we can express ourselves for that mutual benefits?
I think the future has to be about relationships that promote jobs, that promote trade and investment in the Ashanti Kingdom and throughout Ghana on the basis of equality and on the basis of ensuring that that wealth is shared amongst the people.
Thank you so much and enjoy your stay. Thank you. Thank you. And anymore from now, we shall welcome Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. He is the running mate to Dr. Bamadu Baumia, but we have a huge delegation from Ghana and have cut the clips of the national organizer of the new Patriotic Party, lawyer Henry Nana Boache, aka Nana B. He's also a son of a Santaman, and as we're celebrating the 25th anniversary of His Majesty here at the Middle Temple, it's appropriate to say, are they touchy?
Kwame, Medasi. It's at the first Yapija at the free or take a course for Nahim Fimensia near the ABP UK. Kwame no Kwasabin is a Jumadian FE. Na yesre nkwatenten nyame bambo nyame nhyira ade ma yewura ye bibia Otumfuo ene ni abehu ha Kwame mawusu de hu chiamia mfoni a etwagu efeyi amegidi ye se obi a oye Ghana ni bia na ni beje se ya mamre ni ya manne ne ene ni ada na di wa ha no a efeyi pa na indeed Ghana ene asanteman ye wade oye
Minimara unkwa na bae ana se yanetise se running mates Dr. Batu Poku Prempeh ono so eka ho ba bi minim unkwa na bae na
kwa me patro dabi Yura the next vice president Republic of Ghana Honorable Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh and ni penny Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia Apauno so undi NPP amanyuku kesiye nim na yene yewura yembesom ewo UK abrochimemu ha General Secretary ekan ho bi na ebae niame mo national organizer ekan ho bi na ebae constituency chairman a wo menhia ekan ho bi na ebae registrar Ghana Scholarship Secretariat Dr. Kingsley Ajiman eka ho bi ene parliamentary candidate or Menchia South lawyer Nana Eje Bafo Ewa Eka Bi ne ba ye Fifi Boafo ye ne kasamafo Nana Matema nso eka ho bi. Eti yen na ye party apaw ye se yemra na yembesom yewura ene dey ewo UK abojime mu ha.
Maho Honorable Benito Owusu Biuso Ewaha. Also, Bunyam Ebetaitre. Those of you watching us live, we are here at the Middle Temple in the United Kingdom, celebrating the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Anyone from now, His Majesty will join us here, and we are exhibiting our culture here at the heart of the United Kingdom. We are taking a quick break.